Good day guys, and welcome to another Already video. In this video I want to show you some situation when you have your own website and advertising on this website, and for some reasons clients who comes to your website, visitors, some of them have ad blockers on their browsers, and I show you how to detect this behavior. So how to detect client use ad blocker or not, and how to easily make these people to turn off their ad blockers and allow you to make money on your websites. So, some interesting approach. Well, let's get down to business, and in my example I will use AdBlock Plus. So you can use another ad blockers, it doesn't matter what it is. So I will use AdBlock Plus. And so let's go to possible website, so React app, and you have some advertising on your page, on your website. Well, when some client go to your website and he has ad blocker active, enable, there is some interesting approach how to make him to change his ad blocker to disable position. So now my ad blocker is disabled, and well, when I enable it and refresh the page, so we can see on your screen the cute sad cat and the message, "Oh no, you are using AD blocker. The owner will not feed me again. Turn off AD blocker just for us. We love you." So that's interesting and funny approach. How can you easily make people to turn off his ad blockers? And the only way to close this modal window, only way to say this cute cat go away, well, so like this. Well, and of course when we disable ad blocker and refresh the page, so we will see our advertising. Well, let's get down to business, guys, and let's watch how to create something like this with Visual Studio Code and ReactJS. So guys, let's start, and I want to create a new folder and drop it in our Visual Studio Code. So I will create a deblocker detect and just drop it here. Yes, okay. Open an integrated terminal, and so the next step, I want to create React app with TypeScript template. So I will use command yarn create React app dot double dash template TypeScript. Let's start to do it. And while it is installing, I want to show you what we will use in our tutorial. So I will use to detect what's going on with our ad blockers. I will use AdBlock detect React, and as you can see on npm, there it is. So AdBlock detect React. So I will use it with the help of useEffect. And as you can see, last published a month ago. So we have necessary updates for these packets. That's great. So what's going on? Everything is okay. Well, and by the way, I want to use React Bootstrap. So I will use React Bootstrap just for modals, just for our model. So I will use this model, vertically centered model. And to use React Bootstrap, as I already mentioned, we will use React Bootstrap. We need the Bootstrap itself, and import some styles from the Bootstrap. You can use your own library, but I like to work with React Bootstrap. So that's all right. Now I want to clean the source file from the unnecessary files. It will be quickly. Logo. So, and here we don't need this, and this. Save it, and in here all of this. Let it be React in here. So that's all right, and let it be hello here, just to check that everything is okay with our application. So npm start. So as you can see, we have the result, the hello. Well, I want to change my enlarge the font size of the Visual Studio Code for your comfortable work with this. So now I want to install additional packets that we will need in our tutorial. So I will install AdBlock detect React. So AdBlock detect React. Well, React Bootstrap and Bootstrap. Well, and so I will use styled components for CSS styling. I will show you this later. So styled components, and that's all right. So, and let's start to do something. Let's wait a little bit. Before all the components will install in our application. So as I already said, in here we will use our modal draft. So I just want to and vertically centered. I just want to copy and paste this modal show, set modal show, and of course I just prepare some syntax from here. So we need to use detect AdBlock from AdBlock detect React. So I will just copy and paste it in here. Well, when all the necessary packets will install, we will see this red line will disappear. Well, and of course we need some pictures. So I will create, I will create a new folder. It will be assets folder, and I just copy and paste some assets, some images in here. So advertising and setcat. That's all right. So that's all right, and we have used detect hook in here. Well, and of course we need new file style styles.tsx. So in here we will use our styled components well later. Now we need to do the necessary stuff in this. So we can stay with React, use state, but maybe do this. Okay, just import it from React, and so, and of course we need this one. So so let it be console log clg console log and AdBlock detected. That's okay. Well, so let's try it out. And how oh well, styles. Well, so my compilator don't like this one, so we don't need it now. Let it be hello. Okay. Well, the next step, we just want to check AdBlock detected or not. Let's go in here, open our console, refresh the page. So now we don't see anything in here. So let's enable our AdBlocker and refresh it now. well, we don't see it now. So why? Because this value of this AdBlocker or block detected gives us the understanding that something went wrong or not. So there is something AdBlocker there in the browser or not. So we need to try it out and see what's happened with this value. When we refresh the page, enable or disable the unlocker. So AdBlocker detected. I will refresh the page, and as you can see, well, the AdBlock detected false on the first render, and after the second render, AdBlock detected true. And we have this message, so we have this message that error blocked by client. And what's going on in here? So when the AdBlocker is enabled, our packet AdBlock detect React try to if we go to our network, try to make a call to the free doubleclick.net. And as you can see, we don't have an response from this call to this path. So when AdBlocker is enabled, we can't make a call to this path and take some response from this path. So when we disable the AdBlocker and refresh our page, so as you can see, everything is okay, everything is great. Status code so 300.01 and AdBlock detected false. So I want to make this in useEffect. So now our useEffect have some connection with AdBlock detected value. And what happens now? So now everything is okay, it is false, and we don't see anything in here like AdBlock detected or not. So when we enable it, refresh, so AdBlock detected. And now we see that we can't take response from this doubleclick.net, which made by this packet AdBlock detect React. And so now we need to create some stuff with our setcat and our modal component. So let's do it. I will delete it. Oh, well, maybe let it be in here. So now I want to go to here and take my vertically centered model, place it in here, and my vertically centered model, this is the function which we can take from here and place it in here. But I need only model body in here, I don't need model header, and we need backdrop is equal to static. So backdrop is equal to static. What does it mean? It means that we can't close our modal by use outside click. So only modal footer, and of course so I need to React Bootstrap is in here, but why I can't? Oh, okay. It will be any style in here, so well, it doesn't matter. I just import it. So I want to import some button and modal from our React Bootstrap. So from our React Bootstrap. Well, that's all right. I just want to make it better. Well, and I don't need title in here. So, and I don't need this message in here. So everything is great. Well, what we need to do now? Now I want to create some div and place some stuff in it. Well, and of course we need to import our styles. Import. So I don't want to. I just copy and paste it in here. So we need to import our styles from our Bootstrap packet, and it gives us the styles will apply to our buttons, modals, and other stuff. So everything is okay. And the last part, what we need to import, we need to import two images. Set cat from assets, and what does it mean? So assets like this, and ADS from assets advertising. So everything is okay now. Well, now I want to create some stuff in modal body. And what we need to do? So I just put inline styles. If you want, you can easily make another stuff. So p style, font size it will be 25. Okay. And here we want to place some string. Oh no, you're using AdBlocker, and so break tag, and the owner will not feed me again. So that's all right. And so below I want to add some button. So So button width and place go away in here, and we have well, so we have on height in here function. So on click props dot, and we just take this value on height. So that's all right. Well, and now we need our image. So we need our image, and it means that we need a new file. So new file with styles .tsx, and in here I want to import. So import styled from styled component. And what do we need to do here? So I want to export const modal wrapper, which will be equal to styled.div, and in here I want to display display flex, and I just copy and paste it like this. Oh, well, we don't have types for these packets. I want to install it, and additionally, div. And additionally, I want to create some styles for the image. Well, we import image from React Bootstrap and style it and image. So, and I want to place here width pixels, 350 pixels, and of course I want to style it, so style it image. So everything is great. So what gives to us styled component? We can take some tag, for example div, and make some styles to this div, and create by this approach another div which we can export to our app.tsx or something else, and we can easily style it some component from, for example, React Bootstrap, Material UI, or maybe on design. It doesn't matter. So let's make some good stuff in here. Well, maybe I need to, so everything is okay, but well, I create this one, so I need to continue my work in this. So we have our modal wrapper. I will replace div to modal wrapper, so like this, and import modal wrapper from module styles. So good. Well, I just want to make this again. Okay. Good. AdBlock detected, everything is okay, everything is right. And we don't have any mistakes, errors, or something else. So modal wrapper, and of course we need in here, inside our modal wrapper, we need to style it image in here, the text styled image with source attribute, which will be equal to setCat. Good. Well, come on. Okay. TypeScript don't want to make something for me. Let it be like this. So well, and the same tag is in here after button, but with some another text. The text will be like this: turn off AdBlocker just for us. We love you. Well, and from this one we can create, of course, we can create some other component, like let it be paragraph, something like this, and style it P, and of course in here font size and let it be 25 pixels, like this. Export const, and we don't need any this anymore, so let it be paragraph in here and paragraph in here. So like this in here, this in here. So and of course we need to import our paragraph from styles. So good. Now now we need to add some additional stuff in here. So when our AD block detected not equal to true, so in this case we will show our styled image with another stuff, so like ADS. So something wrong with this one, but why? Looks like everything's okay, but well, I don't see any errors, so let it be like this. Well, what do we do now? So now let's try to take our picture. So now we show the AD block detected, and I want to use set modal show, like this, set modal show, and in here it will be true. So as you can see, we have our stuff, but something wrong with our styles. Well, so something wrong with our styles. Well, let's see what's going on in here. Well, in this for image everything is okay, but why? Well, maybe I forgot something. Oh, of course. So I need in here for all of this stuff, like paragraphs and other stuff, we need some div in here. Div with some style. So text align center. Good. Oh no, not good enough. So it's good. Well, now it is pretty one. Well, it's something. Well, it doesn't matter. We have our result in here, so we can check this. Oh, font size. I understand what's going on. Font size. Well, everything is okay. As you can see, we have our AdBlocker, AdBlock detected true, and we have our modal with our cute sad cat, and of course network don't have any response from doubleclick.net. Everything is working great. So next step, and we prepare all the stuff we need in this case. So when I disable my AdBlock Plus and refresh the page, we will see our ADS or advertising. So that was example of how to use detect AdBlocker, and how you can easily manage, you can easily make people to turn off their ad blockers. Well, I hope that this little tutorial will help you to understand how to detect ad blockers on the browsers, and how to easily manage by the value of AdBlock detected, and show some modal with asking to turn off your AdBlocker, and don't make cat be sad. Well, I hope it was enjoyable for you and useful. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and see you in the next videos of Allurity channel. Goodbye, guys.